Just packing the truck up. Normally I use Dulux, but I've decided that I'm just going to try Taubman's for a couple of jobs and to see how it is. Apparently this water-based enamel is really good, so we're going to give that a go. And we're going to use this on the Impossible House. We're going to keep using the Berger Gold label sealer, so that'll be used as a sealer. I really like this sealer, it's a really good one. So that's the Berger Gold label, it's priced right. The most important thing with a sealer is that it sands well. Now I'm going to be trying the Tradex oil-based undercoat. Look at that. I might have to write on that can just to mark what it is. Undercoat and sealer coat, 2 hours, seals and blocks stains, excellent adhesion. Now we've got here is the Taubman's Pure Performance. I used it on my own house and I know it's good. I've got another big house coming up, a new home, and I'm hoping to use it on that home. The correct way to carry these so you don't hurt your back is I actually cuddle them like this. So that's how I do it. I don't put any pressure on the cans, so like it's down there, I would rather it was up here. So I'll lift it up here, then I'll come down and then I'll cuddle it. It's easier on your back. So that's another little helpful tip from the painter. So basically that's there. I'll swing it up higher and I'll come down and I'll give it a cuddle. Taubman's Pure Performance. I'll let you know how that goes. I've heard the sheen level isn't that good, which is actually what we want. We don't want a high sheen on this house. We do want a nice washable paint. I want a low sheen, I want a good quality low sheen, and I'm hoping that this will do the job. Now the colour that we've got is called Mist Moors, M-I-S-T-M-O-O-R-S. Now it's a bit of a purpley type colour, so that's half strength. And Taubman's also provide the touch-up cans, Taubman's paint touch-up cans. Now these come in 1 litre cans, okay, whereas the Dulux ones come in smaller cans. So this is the tint for those cans in Mist Moor, so that's another half strength there. So if she doesn't like that colour, we can double strength it using these here. So that's why I've got them. That's free when you get your paint. Doesn't hurt to buy some extra tint, because if you had some paint at home or you had an undercoat, you could tint your undercoat up with this tint. Now also at the same place, I bought some new roller sleeves that I'm going to be trying. Now Oldfield's Micromax, they're a microfiber sleeve. This is a 270 sleeve. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's see how it goes. So it's a 15mm pile. Normally I use like a 15mm lamb's wool, but I'm just going to try these. I've also got one in a 360 length, which is what I use to finish my walls off. I got some Enviro tape, which is what I use to do my taping up with. It's actually priced well. Now normally it's about $5 at the Dulux shop. Inspirations, which used to be Paint Place, $3.75, probably plus GST. Got a couple of other little things, a bit of tape, plastic. Oh, here's something that's really nice. You're gonna like this. Now all these years, and I've done a video on it as well, I've never come across a really good roller frame. Now I'm going to be testing this one here. It's called a Maverick. Okay, apparently they have quite a bit of stuff. The Maverick, very light. It's made out of aluminium. Looks very high quality. It is expensive, maybe twice the price of the others. So that is $22.45, and I imagine it's probably got GST on top of that. I mean, it looks really nice. Ultralight professional quality roller frame. Now it has it's 25% lighter aluminium frame, comfortable soft touch handle, secure 6-wire cage frame, easy glide double bearing system. Double bearing systems in here. So as long as they're sealed and the paint can't get in them, the bearing system will be a brilliant idea. Also, what's happened is my other whip that I had on my airless spray gun, the threads are leaking. Okay, so I've had to buy a new whip, 1.4 meter You know, it doesn't look like 1.4 meter, but yeah, a Blue Max airless whip hose. So that's going to go on my spray gun just to make it a bit easier for my shoulder, and that's it. So that's my my little paint buy this week, and that'll keep me going all this week. And you'll see some videos of me spraying this Pure Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch on the next video. And how about you give a thumbs up for the painter? So just finished spraying.